A chance encounter. A book promising a path to freedom. A second chance to rewrite your financial destiny. This isn't just a story. This is your story. Are you tired of feeling stuck? Do you yearn for a life where money works for you, not the other way around? Then join us on a journey with Robert Kiyosaki's Second Chance. In this eye-opening YouTube series, we'll crack open the code to financial freedom, shattering the myths of the broken system and empowering you to take control of your future. Are you ready to ditch the rat race and design a life of freedom and fulfillment? Then subscribe to this channel, smash that like button, and embark on a journey to financial mastery with your second chance starting right now. For those who aren't familiar, Robert Kiyosaki is the acclaimed author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and he's also penned an enlightening book called Second Chance. Today, we're going to unwrap the wisdom within its pages that can revolutionize our personal and professional lives. We've all been there, staring at the wreckage of choices that maybe didn't quite work out the way we planned. Maybe you got stuck in a dead-end job, or a bad investment left you feeling financially strained. Perhaps you chased the dream career, only to discover it wasn't as fulfilling as you imagined. That feeling of being trapped, of having missed your shot, doesn't have to be your reality. A second chance isn't about dwelling on the past. It's about embracing the present as a powerful launching pad for a brighter future. Think of it like this. The phoenix, a mythical creature that rises from the ashes, embodies the very essence of a second chance. It burns away the limitations of the past and emerges stronger, more resilient, and ready to soar to new heights. It's not about erasing what's been done. It's about learning from it, taking ownership, and using those experiences to propel you forward. It's about rewriting the narrative, not as a victim of circumstance, but as the architect of your own destiny. So, are you ready to claim your second chance? Join us as we delve into Robert Kiyosaki's Second Chance and discover the strategies and mindsets that can transform your financial reality and empower you to live the life you truly deserve. This whole idea of a second chance resonates with me deeply. See, there was a time when I felt utterly lost, stuck in a job that felt like a slow drain on my energy and spirit. My dreams seemed like distant galaxies, barely even a twinkle in the vast unknown. But then, something shifted. Maybe it was a book I read, a conversation with a friend, or perhaps a quiet moment of reflection that sparked a fire within me. Whatever it was, I knew I couldn't keep sleepwalking through life. It was time to take a leap of faith and claim my second chance. So, I took a deep breath, quit that unfulfilling job, and embarked on a journey to pursue my passion for storytelling. It wasn't always easy. There were doubts and challenges along the way. But with each step, I felt myself getting closer to the life I truly envisioned. And here I am today, sharing my story and yours, hoping to inspire others to embrace their own second chances. Because trust me, it's never too late to rewrite your narrative and build a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. All right, enough about me. Let's get back to the real star of the show, Robert Kiyosaki's Second Chance. In this thought-provoking book, Kiyosaki doesn't just talk about money. He talks about empowerment. He dismantles the traditional view of wealth and lays out a roadmap for building financial security on your own terms. Financial literacy. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education, arguing that most people are never taught how money truly works. He equips you with the knowledge and tools to make informed financial decisions and break free from the cycle of debt. Learning from failure. We've all made financial mistakes, but Kiyosaki encourages us to view them as valuable learning experiences. He teaches you to analyze your missteps, identify the root causes, and use those insights to make smarter choices moving forward. The power of resilience. Life throws curveballs, and financial setbacks are inevitable. But Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of resilience. He shows you how to develop a never-say-die attitude and bounce back stronger from challenges. So, whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to course-correct, Second Chance offers a wealth of wisdom to help you navigate the complexities of money and achieve your financial goals. Are you ready to unlock your financial second chance? Join us as we explore Kiyosaki's powerful ideas and embark on a path to financial freedom together. One of the most powerful messages in Second Chance is that failure is not a tombstone. It's a stepping stone. Kiyosaki argues that our mistakes, financial or otherwise, aren't permanent failures etched in stone. They're valuable lessons that can actually propel us forward on our journey. A scientist who encounters an unexpected reaction in their experiment doesn't just throw their hands up in defeat. They see it as a learning opportunity. Maybe they need to adjust the formula or try a different approach. By understanding why the first attempt didn't work, they can refine their process and ultimately achieve a breakthrough. That's the power of learning from failure. Kiyosaki equips you with the tools to analyze your financial missteps, identify the root causes, and use those insights to make smarter choices moving forward. Each setback becomes a stepping stone, guiding you towards a stronger financial foundation and ultimately, your financial goals. The key is to have the courage to learn from your mistakes and the determination to try again. Because with each attempt, you gain valuable knowledge and build the resilience needed to overcome any obstacle on your path to financial freedom. So, are you ready to transform your failures into stepping stones for success? Join us as we delve deeper into Kiyosaki's Second Chance and discover how to learn from your financial missteps and build a brighter financial future. The path may be steep, there may be moments of doubt, but the view from the top is absolutely breathtaking. That's what a second chance is all about. It's about acknowledging the mountain you want to climb, whether it's pursuing a lifelong dream, achieving financial security, or simply living a more fulfilling life. It's about acknowledging the challenges that lie ahead, the moments of doubt and fatigue, but also recognizing the incredible reward that awaits at the summit. Is it finally going back to school and earning that degree that's been calling your name for years? Maybe it's starting that business idea you've been nurturing in your mind, the one that keeps you up at night with a spark of excitement. Perhaps it's taking a leap of faith and moving to a new city, a place that aligns with your values and aspirations. Or maybe your second chance isn't about a dramatic life change. Maybe it's about making small, but significant shifts in your daily routine. It could be prioritizing your health and well-being, finally committing to a regular exercise program and healthier eating habits. It could be nurturing your relationships, carving out time for loved ones, and fostering deeper connections. It's never too late to take that first step. It's never too late to rewrite your narrative and build a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. So, what are you waiting for? Seize your second chance today. All right, folks, that's all we have for today. We hope you enjoyed this exciting look into Robert Kiyosaki's Second Chance. This book, and the ideas within it, truly resonated with me, and I believe it can empower each and every one of you to take control of your financial future and build the life you deserve. Remember, financial literacy is key. The knowledge you gain from Second Chance can be the springboard that propels you towards a brighter financial tomorrow. But here's the thing. A second chance isn't limited to just your finances. It's about seizing opportunities in all aspects of your life. Do you have a story about a second chance you took? A time you overcame a challenge or pursued a dream you thought was out of reach? We'd love to hear about it. Share your stories in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this journey of growth and transformation. And never forget, every single day presents a new opportunity to write your own story. It's never too late to make a change, to learn from the past, and embrace the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. So, keep your eyes peeled for those second chances, big or small, and grab them with both hands.